Hello viewers, today we are going to see about power of a lens. Okay, actually we are going to define one unit called diopter D, which is nothing but 1 meter power minus 1. Okay, now we have a lens and the light rays comes in, and based on the lens type the rays can converge or it can diverge. So basically power of a lens is a measure of convergence or divergence that depends on the lens that we are going to use. So for this case, light comes and it converges at this point. So we call this point as the focal point. From O to F we have represented by small f, and this rays as converged by an angle del, Greek alphabet del. So since these two are parallel rays, if this is del, this is going to be del, and this is their height h. Okay, now if you consider this triangle, say this point and this point, so we have a right angle triangle at this point. Now in this case, if you apply tan del, so tan del is equal to opposite side by adjacent side f, h by f. This tan del is nothing but the power of a lens. Okay, right. Now, so if you assume h is equal to 1 unit, it can be anything. Assume this h is equal to 1 unit. So when h becomes 1, tan del is equal to 1 by f. And if del is very small, highly negligible, then tan delta will become delta. Similarly, if you have sin delta, means you will be having delta for very small values. So in that case we can go for approximation. So for very small values of del, tan del can be written as del, which is equal to 1 by f. Therefore the power of lens directly is connected with del. What is del? We know the angle of deviation from the normal path, or it can divert also. So del is equal to 1 divided by f. Now f is what? Focal length. So focal length is measured in meters. The standard SI unit is meters. So this, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes meter power minus 1. So the SI unit of diopter is capital D. So 1D is equal to 1 meter power minus 1. So that's all about this topic, power of a lens, which is frequently used while making lenses. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.